So today I want to talk about what we as marketeers can learn from celebrities about social media strategy. First up, we've got Beyonce, one of my favourites. This woman's got serious stage presence. She knows how to make a spectacle of herself and put on a show. She knows how to reach and create awareness amongst millions of people around the world. Next up, we've got Katy Perry. Now this particular celebrity is the queen of engagement. She's very comfortable with getting up close and personal with her fans. Did you know she once live streamed her life across social media for 72 hours straight? But who is the queen celebrity at reach and engagement? Lover or hater, I would argue it's Kim Kardashian. She knows the sort of content that's going to generate very, very wide reach and awareness. In order to reach new audiences, you've got to be able to break the internet with shots like this. Reach and awareness alone doesn't get you sales. For that, you need engagement, and Kim Kardashian, via her TV shows and celebrity appearances and meeting with her fans, she knows how to do the engagement thing. She's got both sides of reach and engagement wrapped up, and for me, Kim Kardashian is the queen of celebrity social media strategy.